Here we have a stall, model VFZ-52, standalone knife folder. We're utilizing its own 230 volt 3-phase power source to power this knife folder. It is a standalone system. We are using a folder and a delivery that do not come with this system, simply to show that this knife folder does operate. We'll demonstrate.
You gotta do the sticker again, or you just...
We'll go ahead and demonstrate this operating. Set the folder up to run, the knife folder up to run. Now using some paper through. Again, knife folder is only being sold independently. The delivery and large folder are not included.